Hello, I am Legal Internet lecturer and company. Today I am going to talk about the principle of res geste, which is mentioned under Section 6 of Indian Evidence Act. The term res geste refers to the legal principle that allow for the admission of certain statement or acts as evidence in court. It encompasses a broad category of evidence that include spontaneous statement, excited utterance, and other contemporaneous act of declaration closely connected to the main event of transaction under the consideration. Here an overview of the principle of res geste. Definition: res geste is a Latin term that translates to thing done. It refers to the principle that certain statement, declaration, or act made is done in connection with the particular event or transaction are admissible as evidence because they are considered part of surrounding circumstances. Spontaneous and contemporary. The key aspect of the res geste evidence is spontaneity and contemporaneity with the event in question. These statements or acts are made and done spontaneously without the opportunity of reflecting or fabricating and are closely related to the event of the transaction at hand. Exception to hearsay rule. Res geste evidence is an exception to the general rule against hearsay, which prohibits the admission of out-of-court statement offered for the truth of the matter asserted. Since these statements are act as a considered part of the event itself, they are viewed as an exception to the hearsay rule and they admit to be proved as a complete understanding of the circumstances surrounding the event. Purpose of res geste evidence. Res geste evidence is admitted to corroborate or explain the main event or transaction and to provide context or support for the other evidence present in the case. It helps to demonstrate the spontaneity and credibility and reliability of the statement made at the time of the event. Example of the res geste evidence. Example of res geste evidence may include the spontaneous statement made immediately after an accident or crime, excited utterance made under the influence of shock or excitement, statement made during a medical emergency, or gesture or physical act of demonstrate a person's mental or emotional state at the time of event. It is important to note that the application and admissibility of res geste evidence may vary across jurisdiction and legal system. Court consider the specific circumstances, reliability, and relevance of the statement or act in question before admitting them as a res geste evidence. Thank you. For an inquiry, please write down in the comment.